various models have projected that Tropical Storm Beryl will probably impact Jamaica. All the models have suggested that if it is not a direct impact, it will be in the vicinity of Jamaica. We expect that this will bring adverse weather conditions.
Yeah, babe. The man come cut down the tree. Yeah. Me did take down the umbrella because the bees are going wicked. You still there at the supermarket? How long now you did it now? 1 hour. Alright, more or come on. Yeah. Jesus, Shepherd!
Oh.
Shepherd, oh, you're reaching here.
You see the legal? If me tell you how me come in here, you have to go disappear. You couldn't tell me say me left this up here.
How me go tell you I did gone?
Bokuya, you know got me phone number. By the way, you did tell Bubbles what me say?
Yeah, Shepherd, me did tell her.
Oh, good. For him, me I go see now. But somebody else there? Somebody in a wheelchair. And I feel a turban spirit. How him there?
Karim cousin Shepherd. Him did get
Shot.
Yeah.
But it look like him somebody a game problem. Me want to see him.
Genuinely, Sheldon, I genuinely love you with all of me. In the interim, just take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Alright? Bye.
What is it?
Quick. You can't continue to do this to yourself, you know. At least come outside, come take some fresh air.
Okay, I'm good, man. I'm good.
Alright. I have somebody who want to talk to you.
Want to talk to me? Boy.
Somebody who I think might can help you with the healing.
Help me in my healing. Tony, right now, big man thing. And even I mood for see nobody else or talk to nobody else. Right now, I just want to chill by myself, you see me?
Quick, you might not believe in a certain things, but
I turban man that.
Tony, what kind of style is? How this?
Quick, this is Shepherd.
Shepherd. Tony, and I really hope man you bring come here, sir. You know me not deal with them something there.
Let me lock the door.
Oh, this guy.
Your foot now walk. Take your mouth no walk neither.
Quick. Don't call him over, man, please.
Tony, I don't really have an idea though, God.
So, your picnic mama gonna left you. And you couldn't say nothing. Your doctor take flight. And you still not say nothing. And I'm me you got mouth for.
Tony, you really tell the man my business?
Me not say nothing to him. He's a spiritual advisor.
Spiritual advisor, we are talking about Tony and I'm don't know them personal something there. Hear me I say Tony? No disrespect me, Allah. But Tony, I don't want to wobe man in it. I don't want to wobe business. You hear that? What is this now?
What you say? And who you say now want up here again?
You deaf? Me say.
So now that you can chat, you can listen. Now understand this, young man. It is the same stubbornness and your feistiness make your woman and your doctor go and left you. And I hate make you sit down in the chair right there so. So, you see this tropical depression where you go through, it is rapidly becoming a hurricane. And if you know turn to it will blow you away. You hear? You see the next time I come up here, Mr. Facey man, I hope you have the same strength to get up and walk. 20 on 10 minutes, tell me we can talk. I'm gone.
Me did tell us and I call him no Obia, man.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Midday News. Here's what we have in the bulletin. Hurricane watch issued for Jamaica's Hurricane Beryl approaches.